Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about the first notes on a trombone. I'll be going over specifically how to play them, and this will be a positioning tutorial. So that's right, I'll be showing you how to play your first few notes on the trombone. Let's get right into the video. Now before I show you those first few notes, you should have your trombone assembled by now. You should have your mouthpiece in place, and we're going to go over some of the positions and what it looks like. So essentially, here's your slider, okay? Now, when your slider is all the way back towards you, so not out here, but until it can't go back any further, that's position one. So that's your position one. Now you're going to look at the little bar on the slider, okay, that you hold on to. So you're going to slide that out until it touches the bell. It's in line with the tip of the bell. That's position three. So we have one all the way back here, three with the bar in line with the bell. Two is in the middle of those two roughly. So somewhere about there, okay? Once you get past those first three, we're going to look at position number four, which is when this guard over here, not the bar, but the guard on the slider is basically in line with the bell. On this trombone, it has to be just slightly past the bell, okay? That's your position four. So this little guard here, the edge of this guard is roughly in line with the bell, okay? Position six is essentially when you just reach out basically as far as you can if you're average height like me. There's also going to be a little notch on the inside portion of the slider, and your guard should be roughly in line with that notch, give or take. Like I said, the guard, not the line here, not the holding bar, but the guard should be in line with that notch, which is, for me, it's basically as far as my arm can reach. And then five is going to be between 4 and 6, roughly, somewhere like that, okay? Very simple. So, but we're only going to be using a few positions for this. We're going to go over the first 5 notes, okay? Now, your B flat is your first note that you should learn how to play for a few reasons. First and foremost, it's position number 1. So your slider's all the way towards you. And it's the lowest note with regards to your embouchure. So get that slider in position 1 and basically play the lowest note that you can play. Keep your embouchure nice and loose and play that note. Okay, and hold it for a few seconds. That's your B flat. Your C is going to be just a slightly higher tone. And for that, we're going to move out to position 6. So all the way out to position 6. And it's not going to be your lowest embouchure, so not going to be your first partial with regards to your embouchure, like your first set of lips at the lowest. It's the next one up. It's going to sound slightly higher. Your B flat was over here. It's going to sound slightly higher than that. So go to position number 6 and go to like a little bit of a tighter embouchure. Now this would be the lower sound. We don't want that. We want a little bit higher than that. That's your C. B flat, position 1. C, position 6. Very simple. Now we're going to be working with that same embouchure for the rest of these notes as well. So from the C, which is position 6, we're going to go to D, position 4, slightly higher. So line up that guard with the bell, slightly past it in my case, and keep that same embouchure that we were just using with the C. This is the D, position 4. Hold that for a few moments. Next up, same embouchure, E flat, position 3, okay? So position 3 now, line up that slider bar, the vertical slider bar with the bell, with the tip of the bell. And then last but not least, we're gonna go all the way back to position number 1, which is your F. F over here. So just to recap, okay, this is what your first few notes are gonna sound like. Sorry about that. We'll try that one more time. I think I messed up there. We're going to try that one more time. B flat, position 1, very low, loose embouchure. Okay. C, position 6, a little bit tighter embouchure. You might have to tune it a little bit like I did there. Okay. Then we have D, position 4, like this. Okay. Then we have E flat, position 3. And I use my finger as a guide to get me into position 3. And then we have, last but not least, F, position 1. Those are your first basically 5 notes. And you can switch between B flat and F by staying on position 1. B flat is the lower sound, F is the higher sound. And that's it. Those are your first notes on the trombone. An easy peasy, super breezy tutorial. I've shown you exactly how to play them, what they sound like. That's it. Go for it. Practice makes perfect. Go get it with your trombone. Get it done. If you like this video, please be sure to give it. Sorry, that was the most ridiculous random combination of motivational thoughts at once. Random combination of motivational thoughts. Go get it with your trombone. Get it done. Practice makes perfect. Anyways, we're going to end this video, but I truly hope that you've enjoyed a little bit of education and entertainment at the same time. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.